Hello friends, welcome to channel. So in this session we will discuss the July 2014 paper of Kerala SAT, and in this session we will cover 60 question from 1 to 60 question, and this paper consists 120 questions. So out of 120 we will discuss 60 question, okay, in this video, and the remaining question will be discussed in the next video. And this video is also important for other SAT exam of other state, or also important for the UGC NET exam, because question are same in the UGC NET and the SAT, okay, in the social work. So everybody can watch this video, those who are preparing for NET as well as the SAT exam. So now let us understand the first question. Policy formulation, working with the media and the lobbying are related to meso social work, micro social work, macro social work, and the indirect practice. So the social worker practice micro level social work at the level of the individual's person to dealing with the individual's problem of the group of peoples. So that is the micro level, okay. Then meso level and the macro level, that is the biggest term you can say, when the this deal with the policy formulation, lobbying, and the working with the media, okay. So this is the you can say that is related to the macro social work. Option number C. When was American Association of Schools of the Social Work found? In which year basically? 1901, 1905, 1919, and the 1921. So option number C, 1919 is the correct answer. Next question, question number 3. Cadaver counseling is related to, so that this counseling basically focused on the crisis or the grief or the sorrow or organ transplantation or the accident. So which option is correct for this question? That is the about the cadaver counseling. Question number 3. So the right answer, that is the organ transplantation. Question number 4. Human rights advocacy and the refugee service are example of. So when we talk about the advocacy in terms of the human rights or some kind of the refugee services, so this is the example of the what kind of practice: micro practice, international social work, or it is the indigenous social work, or it would be a meso practice. So which option will be correct? Question number 4. So option number C, that is talking about the human rights advocacy. So that is the globally things, or you can say refugee is not any particular country or any particular region services. So this that is the international social work. So you can mark option number C. Question number 5. What is the current name for the first training center organized by the New York Charity Organization Society? That is the New York CSO. Sometimes the question mark mentioned in the small form like the CSO. So you have to understand what is the CSO. So which option is correct? The name of the first training center, the New York Social Law of School Work, Columbia School of Social Work, University of the Philadelphia School of Social Work, or option number D, that is the Missouri University of Social Work. So which option is correct for question number 5? So basically the first training center was organized by the New York Charity Organization CSO, that was the Columbia School of Social Work. Next question, question number 6. The supreme law of India is the Constitution's fundamental right, fundamental duty, or the fundamental principle. Which option is correct for this question number 6? So the Constitution of India is the supreme law. So this is very simple question. Question number 7. The Constitution framed by the Constituent Assembly was adopted in, आपको बताना है in which year this Constitution which is adopted in the by the Constituent Assembly, in 26 October 1949, 30th December, 26 November 1949, and the 26th January 1950. So question number 7, which option is correct? 26th of November 1949. Option number B is correct. Next question number. According to the POSCO Act 2012, reporting of sexual offense is a discriminatory. Option B, that is the optional. Option C, voluntary, or the mandatory. So as per the POSCO Act 2012 that came in 2012 regarding this, so reporting of sexual offense is the option number D, mandatory. Question number 7th schedule in the Constitution deal with the, so in our Indian constitutions there is the list of schedule, and so the 7th schedule, that is deal with the union list or the state list only, or the concurrent list, or the all the above. So which option is correct in the seventh schedule? So seventh schedule basically deal with the all the subject of center and the state, and also some subject that is both for the like the education. So for this is the for the both, that is called as concurrent list. Okay, and some subject mentioned in the state list like the land or forest, all these things, and in the same way some also mentioned in the central list. So these all three things, three subject mentioned in the seventh schedule. Option number D will be correct. Question number 10. Match the following legislations with the year of the enactment. So basically this question regarding the some important act and along with the year when these act enacted. So which option is correct for question number 10? The like the Child Marriage Restraint Act, that is came in 19, in which year? And the Juvenile Justice Act, JJ Act, and the Cooperative Credit Society Act, and the Factory Act. So these basically act is very important for exam, at least the Child Marriage Restraint Act and the Factory Act, Juvenile Act. These three are very important. So you should know about these important act. So which option is correct? The Child Marriage Restraint Act 8 came in 1929. So the first one will pair with the first of the list second. So now you can just eliminate other option, only D will be right. So just use the elimination method in the question so that you can save the time also. Okay. Other option you can also match like the Child Marriage Restraint Act that came in 1986 and the Factory Act that is in 1948. This is very simple. You can easily learn Factory Act that is came in after 1 year of the independence, 1947 plus 1. So in this way you can easily learn. So option number D will be correct. Also use some kind of the mnemonics to just to learn these act. Okay. Next question, question number 11. A marriage which produce no mutual rights and obligations between the party is termed as. So basically, you have to tell the what kind of this is the marriage. When there's the no mutual rights or any kind of the obligation in the party. Party means the like the man and the woman. So what kind of the marriage is? This is the voidable marriage or the void marriage, dissolution marriage, or the voidable and the nullified marriage. So option number B will be correct of this question. So guys, if you find any answer is wrong and that is mentioned by me, so you just put in the comment box, then I will correct in the next video. Okay, as we are all the humans, we can also make some kind of mistakes sometimes, but we will correct in the next video if you mark in the comment box if any question is wrong. Question number 12. This is the assassination question. Most of the urban programs fail to remove slums from the country. So this is talking about this statement about the urban programs. Okay, that tell they are not able to remove kind of slums from the country. And so the reason given for this is that the lack of administrative structure. So which option is correct? Yes. Also, when we talk about the slums, so also this is the responsibility of the administration. Okay, that they have to take some actions or make some programs just to remove the slums. What they are unable. Okay, so not only the administration, there are so many regions behind this. So that the reason given for this lack of administration structure is not only. So of course the option is the region is correct, but it is not going to explain the right explanation of the assertion. So option number both are assertion and the region is correct, but not rightly explained. So option number D will be correct. Question number 13. Good recording is a group. Sorry, question number right to health care is a the kind of the generation human rights. Okay, the first generation or the second, third, or the all the ups. So of course option number D will never be, because the right to health care it would be any one generation. It could be a first, second, or the third. So option number D will not be correct. So option number second is the correct answer. Second generation human rights. Okay. Question number 14. Good recording in the group work should focus on. So the focus of the good recording in the research work, that should focus on the activity organized or the some kind of the skill used or any characteristics of the member or the group process. So which option is correct for question number 14? Okay, group recording basically in a group work or any kind of work. Let's focus on the group process. What kind of the process the group is following and what are the activity, all these things that is in the option number D will be correct. The group process. Okay. Question number 15. Group conformity increase under which of the following condition? Okay. So the person feel incompetent or the insecure, and the group can see how the person behave, किस प्रकार से कोई person behave करता है in which way a person admired to the group and when member are denied of the social rewards. So which code is right for the question number 15? This question talking about the group conformity. Okay, so group conformity basically increase under which condition? When the group conformity increase? Question number 15. So the person feel incompetent and is insecure, and the group can see how the person behave, in which way the person is behaving. So this that should also seen by the group, and the person should be admire the group. So all these things, that is the part of the group conformity. And the member are denied of the social rewards, this is that will never be right. So option number first, second, third will be correct. Option number C will be correct. Question number 16. The first working definition of the social work practice was adopted by the NASW. Okay, in which year? In which year this definition is adopted? In question number 16, 1955, 1956, 1957, and then 1958. So option number B will be correct. Question number 16. And also please mention in the comment box how many answer the question you have marked right. Okay. Next question number 17. Where was the Satnami movement started? In which state of India this movement started? In Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and the Madhya Pradesh. So by going the name, you just remember that Satnami is some kind of the it could be in the Punjab, but it is not right. Basically, option number D will be correct. Madhya Pradesh is correct answer. Okay. This movement started in the 18th century or earlier. So I think on that time also the delimitation of the state is not there, because of the on that time the British government, British Raj in the India. But when we see the answer, this is somehow the Madhya Pradesh will be correct, because on that region, on the region of the Madhya Pradesh and other state. But option number D will be correct here. So mark the option number D if the question came in the exam, not mark any other state. Question number 18. As per the RTA Act, which appeal shall be disposed by the first appellate authority within the in how many days from the date of this receipt? On 30 day, on 20 day, 40 day, or the 50 day. So you have to mark the correct answer. That this question about the RTA Act, that the first appeal should be disposed by the first appellate authority within the 30 day. Option number B will be correct. Question number 19. Which of the following is not the criticism of payroll release? So we have discussed so many questions about the payroll and probation. So I know you know about the payroll, what is the payroll, and also we have discussed earlier in the so many videos and the classes, live classes. So what is the which of the following is not the criticism of payroll release? So always remember when you read the question, please check the question is all about not or not. So if the not is mentioned, please mark and then solve the question. Okay. So it undermine both retribution and the deterrence. It does not sufficiently guarantee public safety. It subtly coerces the inmates into the program that are often of the questionable effectiveness. So which code is correct for question number 19? So which of the following not a criticism for the payroll is? They tend to undermine the both retribution and the deterrence. So it is not a criticism, nor the sufficiently guarantee of the public safety. And also option number C will be also not. So option number C will be correct. Question number 19. Question number 20. Or someone used by a code must be duplicate, triplet, or the adding of the duplicate or adding and the triplet. So which option is correct? So basically someone which is issued by the code, that should be duplicate, the first one, and also written. Okay, written is very important. So option number C will be correct. Question number 21. The power of RCI include. Okay, so what are the powers of RCI? Regulate and monitor service given to the person and disability, standardize salary, and the maintain a central rehabilitation register of all the qualified professionals. And option D, that is the punitive against action punitive action against unqualified person delivering service to the person with the disability. So what are the power of RCI? Which option, which statement is correct in the code? So when we talk about the power of RCI, so it also regulate and monitor the service to the person with disability, and also some kind of the punitive action against or the person who is unqualified, or they are delivering some kind of service to disabled. So this also will be included, and also to maintain the center rehabilitation register of all qualified professional in the student supply. So option number B will be correct. So which include all the option. Next question, question number 22. Who define community as a collectively of the member which share a common territorial area as their base of operation for the daily activities. So basically, if you know the characteristics of the community, you easily can yeah, and who gave this who defined the community? Okay, as the community, what is community? Community is the like the sense of the people live together. Okay, they are in the definite area, definite boundary location, and they are working together with the same work. So who defined this community? Bogardes, Ogban, and the Nimkov. Option number D, that is the T person. So which option is correct? Option number D is correct. Option number D, that is the T person. Okay. Now the next question, question number 23. Which of the following was not identified as one of the four major social bond? Okay. Of this, of history social control theory. Social control theory has the some four major social bond, and which is not identified in the four option, like the religiosity and the commitment, involvement and the belief. So which is not as one of the four major social bond of social control theory. Option number A will be correct. Next question, question number 24. Which of the following are areas identified by the Niti Aayog to engage in the land leasing, right to education act, and the land tilting? Option D, that is fourth, that is the land acquisition. Okay, so which area that is identified by the Niti Aayog to engage in? Which option is correct? Which code is correct for this question number 24? 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, and the all the above. So the first one, that is the land leasing and the land tilting. All these are identified by the Niti Aayog, and also the Education Act, right to education act. So option number 1, 2, 3 will be correct. Option number B will be correct. Question number 25. The typical and the accepted pairing of role position is termed as. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? The typical and the expected pairing of role position. Role complementarity, role reciprocity, role mutuality, and the role affinity. Which option is correct? Question number 25. So this is called as the role reciprocity, the typical and the expected pairing. So basically this question you can just read and you easily understand. This is talking about the pairing of role position. Okay, so when we talk about the pairing, that means there is some kind of more than two things, and the reciprocity is also there. So option number B will be correct. This is just common sense question. Question number 26. G20 is the international forum of governments, central bank governors, governments, and the central bank governors and the European Union (UE). So which option is correct for the question number 26? So the G20, basically this is the international forum, okay, which consists the governments, okay, and the central bank governors. Option number C will be correct. Question number 27. Okay, urbanism is the term that is related to the study of. Basically, this is that term which is originated from the rural plus urban. Okay, so this is the urbanism is the term that is related to the study of town and city, village, rural areas, lifestyle, and the rural lifestyle of the rural urban people. So which option is correct? Question number 27. So of course, this is the question about the rural as well as the urban. So option number D will be correct, the lifestyle of the rural urban people. Okay. Question number 28. The governmental ban on the trade with one or the more other nations. So उसको क्या बोलते हैं? The government ban on the trade with one and more nations, like the for example USA, also. Okay, ban some kind of the trade with the other country. So what is the term that is used to ban the trade with other country? That is called tariff. So of course tariff is that not term. Embargo, quota and the subsidy. Which option is correct? Question number 28. So subsidy is also not there. Subsidy is not like the ban. Okay. So option number B will be correct. Question number 28. Embargo is the term that is used to ban the trade with the other country. Question number 29. The indicator of the PQLI are, so what are the indicators? Okay, basic literacy rate, infant mortality rate, life expectancy at age 1 and the maternal mortality. So which option is correct? Which code is correct for this A, B, C, D? Question number 29. So in the PLI indicator, PQLI indicator, there is the three indicator. The first, that is the literacy, second, that is the IMR, and third, that is the life expectancy. So the 1, 2, 3, question number 29, 1, 2, 3 will be correct. Option number D. Question number 30. The movement of the people from one stardom to another or from one status to the another is termed as that is the social mobility, vertical mobility, horizontal mobility, or the social cultural mobility. So which option is correct? Question number 30. The movement of the person from the one stratum to the another or from one stratum to another, that is called as social mobility, horizontal, vertical, or the social cultural mobility. So basically this question talking about the movement of the person from one stratum to another or from the one status to another. Oh, yeah, okay. So this question basically talking about the one status to another. So of course from the one status to another, that will be a vertical mobility. Vertical is like that. Okay, horizontal like that. So option number 30, option number C will be correct. Next question number 31. Among the following, who is the proponent of the earliest version of the balanced growth theory? Okay. Next, say option number B, that is the Rosenstein Rodin. Option number C, Fleming. Option number D, that is Stovsky. So which option is correct? Very little difficult name. So which option is correct? Who is the proponent of this earlier version of the balanced growth theory? Question number 31. Option number B will be correct. Okay.